Hi guys, welcome here. So we are at Sonny's with Courtney. She's going to teach me how to make a perfect barbecue sandwich. We have our Central Florida BBQ Blowout coming up May 26th at a brand new location, Center Lake Park. It's going to be from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and we have the kids queue going on. That is the part that I'm so excited about. We're going to have people like Courtney, pro chefs, you know, teaching the kids to make delicious steaks and things like that.
Today we're going to be making our Sweet Carolina. Well, first you're going to start off with our pulled pork. We smoke the butts for 12 hours in the smoker. And then we'll take a big scoop of that. First we're going to pull it up a little bit.
I know you guys can't smell it, but wow.
And we'll put a little bit of our sweet sauce if you want to help me out.
All right, and this one right here.
Yep.
Tell me when.
A nice generous portion. Place that onto our sandwich bun. We'll take the coleslaw. Nice big scoop of that.
All right, here we go.
What makes it the Carolina sandwich will be the mustard-based barbecue sauce.
Okay.
That comes on top of it. That's on your side as well. We'll drizzle that on top.
Just that it's mustardy?
Just the mustard barbecue sauce. It's a little bit tangier than our regular Florida barbecue sauce. That will be your Sweet Carolina.
Beautiful. May 26th, we have our Central Florida BBQ Blowout from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. in a brand new location. It's going to be at Center Lake Park in Oviedo, presented by Sonny's Barbecue and Oviedo Roofing. If you need more information, go ahead to barbecueblowout.org. Contact me directly at paige@Oviedo-Wintersprings.org and I can give you some more details. I am just so excited about this whole thing, guys.